something big. Something dead or something big. One of the two.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
He's on your.
What is that? You see it though? It's fighting, right?
Yeah.
Look at it.
Yeah, it's fighting.
Oh!
That's a head shake.
Oh my God! What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, we're back on the Detroit River. I'm about to catch me a walleye.
I'm trying. I still haven't got a double-digit day, like two fish day.
Oh,
like,
multiple day, eh?
Yeah, I haven't got a multiple day. I got 3 days of singles.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
I know.
Like you caught 10 fish in a day.
I can't do that yet either.
Like that'd be a really good day.
Oh, whoa! That's nothing here. What are you talking about?
Yeah, when that run caught, I started the walleye run late last year, so I didn't get the.
You have no idea. You have no idea. Yeah, you have no idea.
Came here at like 5:30 one day. Went home at 11 with like 100.
Yeah.
112.
112.
Yeah. Well, like they weren't all big. A lot of them were small.
Still.
But 100 fish is 100 fish.
Yeah, I don't care if it's 100 gobies.
In the morning, and then I went back in the afternoon, got another 100.
That's just.
Yeah. That was the day I sat here all day.
There are days like that. Yeah, I mean.
There's a projected 138 million walleye from somebody's river.
Yeah, they're saying it's like the.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's gonna be an awesome record run.
Yeah. You'll be going through plastic. You'll be going through a lot of plastics in a day.
Oh yeah. Don't worry, I know a guy that makes them.
Go to sleep.
I'm looking at them.
It is the best time.
Yeah,
We caught.
I didn't really think that there were like, steelhead and salmon.
Yeah, we caught about 400 eyes and 30 bows that day.
My arms will be done.
Oh, me and Ivan were so tired at the end, bro. I swear. Ivan will tell you.
Yeah.
Ivan will tell you, bro, because they made us do everything because they wanted us to learn, right?
Yeah.
So like, no, you gotta go. You gotta do this. No. So like, they just stood back and told us what to do the whole way.
Is that what our trip's gonna be like?
Oh yeah. Oh, he's got one. Oh.
Is it? It felt like something though.
Is that what our trip's gonna be like?
Yep.
We're gonna have to do everything?
Yep.
I'm okay with that because I'm willing to learn.
Yep.
I want to learn.
No, there's a reason why. Hey, there's a reason why we're learning, Jerry.
Yeah, I know. There you go. Snake?
Sturgeon? Walk back.
Oh, I'm gonna make it really exciting. Whoa, what is that?
It's a sturgeon. Rock bass.
No, what is that?
Oh, it's coming.
I think it was pulling for a second.
It was.
Something did that to me last week too.
Yeah, but it's a current pulling your line.
Okay. So coming up.
Strong, right? You let your line snap and lose the current pulling.
Bro, whatever it is, it's coming up. It's coming up. No, it's fighting back. See it? It's fighting back. Look at it. Oh. Bro! I don't know what it is!
Sturgeon.
Look at it! Oh! Oh! See it, bro! See it!
Yeah, you definitely got it. I knew you had sturgeon.
Well, yeah, just in case, but we don't know exactly what he had. He might have a muskie, could have a sturgeon.
No! It's coming in!
That's coming in. That's head shakes.
Look at it! It's coming in! Look at it!
I know. Don't break it, man. You got something big. Something dead or something big. One of the two.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah, but
Oh!
he's on your
What is that? You see it though, it's fighting, right?
Yeah.
Look at
Yeah,
it.
it's fighting.
Oh!
That's a head shake.
Oh my god! It's a sturgeon! I told you! Oh, I caught a sturgeon! I told you!
You got a sturgeon. You got it in the mouth, too.
I told you guys, I was like, yo, man!
Take it careful.
Let's go! Let's go!
Dragon babies, man.
It is loose.
We got, well, this got too fast.
Sounds like a 6-foot sturgeon, bro.
Alright.
Did you see it? I told you, I was like, yo, I'm fighting something, bro, straight up.
I had something.
I was like, it's a...
I don't know. I have a deeper net at home, but I didn't bring it. That's my muskie net I got at home. A 4-foot back.
Oh my god, bro, you see that thing jumping? Oh!
Dude, we're getting this thing out of the water.
If you
I was like, yo, this is a fish!
if you lose it, I swear you're jumping back after that thing.
Oh my god. Come on, guys.
Well, if we have to walk it to the rock or whatever, I don't give a shit. We'll get in the net and walk.
Put a net in a net.
The dog has just peed on the net.
I knew it was a fish. I was like, yo,
I know, that's what I
I
said.
felt the pop.
Yeah, he got it in the mouth. Let him, yeah.
What test you using, Beaver?
10 pounds.
No, 6.
Oh, you gonna get
Are you
6 on
serious?
I'm on
You got
6.
a 6-pound braid?
I'm on 6-pound braid.
Oh my god.
I'm on 6-pound braid.
Fight, man. That thing's surface and
Oh man,
Oh,
I seen you moving it. That's why I started coming. I knew it was a fish.
Oh.
He's right below us.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You can get him up.
Gary, you think we should let him fight?
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. You know, I know. We're getting this fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we're getting this fish. Like I said, if we get a net and I gotta get it to the rocks, I'll get it to the rocks to get it out. I don't care. I'll climb over the thing and.
Just grab the freaking
Yeah.
elephant.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's going on down here? We've got the body.
Yeah. We got a submarine guy. Oh, he's taking off now.
You got a lot of line on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that one.
Good. Damn, he hit that close. He was in close too.
Pen strong. I don't know yet, bro. We gotta wait till it lands, bro. I fought a few of them already, but I've never landed one. So if I do land this,
I landed a 74-incher when I was 12.
Wow.
I've never
I
landed one
was
before.
actually fishing for him. I had a 12-foot ugly stick.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right here. He's just not coming up.
Jerry, get on the other side. Get on the other
He's
side.
got it in the mouth though.
I got it right in the mouth.
Oh yeah, it's in the mouth. It's in the mouth.
You got them out?
Oh yeah.
It's in the mouth. You got it in the mouth. It ate it.
You got them out. It's easy, yeah. It's easy to control it.
No. I let the line go.
Oh.
I let the line go.
Everyone's shimmying down.
He's going this way. Sorry.
Yeah, I know, I'm following.
Sorry.
He said get on this side.
This thing's the boss. Oh my god.
Blowing bubbles.
This thing's the boss. Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
Don't hit nobody with the net.
Oh, look, it broke.
Oh, he lost it.
Damn, bro.
Oh.
We saw it though.
Yeah,
It's
we
confirmed.
saw it.
We saw it jump, bees though.
Oh man.
We saw it. We all saw
good,
it, bro.
bro.
That's crazy.
That was 100% sturgeon. We all
Yeah.
saw it.
Oh man.
That was.
Oh,
Oh man.
that was crazy.
What a rush.
Oh my god.
6 pound test held up
crazy,
for a
dude.
while.
Oh.
You knew
How
it.
you
You knew
feeling
it.
right now, bro?
Bro, my heart is pumping like crazy.
my
I thought it
God.
was gonna be
Your
it.
camera on?
Yeah, my camera was on.
yeah.
So you probably got a jump in there.
Oh yeah, I got
yeah.
a jump.
Oh,
I
yeah.
got everything. Oh man.
Damn, bro.
Oh man. I thought it was coming in.
Me too.
I thought it was coming in.
It's hilarious.
Oh.
We're like, ah,
Bro, I feel it. Alright guys, gonna end my evening there. What a loss. Bro, I don't even know what to say about that.
Game over.
Game over. Well, didn't end up catching any walleye tonight. It was very, very slow. But I ended up, you know, fighting a sturgeon. We actually got to see a jump. You know, I'm never gonna land one of those.
Don't
Never.
Say never.
Hey man, that's the 4th one I fought in my entire life, and I still can't even land
There's
one.
people that fought more than that and still never land one using the proper equipment.
Yep, like I said, that was a 6 pound test,
Exactly.
a medium, fast Dawa Tattoo. Yeah, I wasn't prepared for that, but it was a really, really fun fight. You know, it was awesome, eh?
Oh yeah.
That was awesome. Anyways, guys, if you guys like that, like, share, subscribe, and I'll have to catch you on the next one.